there's like a hairball inside the smoothie.
Don't do that. That's disgusting. We're both sharing that, and you wouldn't split it. Don't cough in the smoothie. Hey guys, welcome back to Dixon family. My name is Shandae, and this is my little sister Abigail. And today we're going to be doing a regular vlog just to a smoothie place that our mom really likes because she's really obsessed with smoothies these days.
We're basically regulars at that store.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So let's go. Yeah. All right, you take.
Okay, guys, let's go. We're going to the smoothie place. Hey guys, welcome back to Dixon family. Today I'm going to be doing a prank on my little sister, Shandae. Today I will be coughing, spitting, whatever I can do to make her be disgusted by me inside of our smoothie that we get at Smoothie Place. Smoothie Place is a place we go every day. We're regulars at that store. It's like they sell smoothies, sandwiches, anything healthy, basically. So I'm going to be spitting or coughing, probably coughing. I'm going to be coughing inside of her smoothie today. And it's gonna be disgusting, but it's gonna be a great prank. And before this video starts, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And you might like our videos, so make sure you check out all of our other videos as well. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
What smoothie are we gonna get?
Okay, I thought I forgot the name. Usually we get a smoothie called Mango Magic. Do you remember the ingredients or?
Mango Magic is mango and pineapple.
That's it?
I think. I don't really know for sure.
Is it yogurt?
Yeah. Yogurt.
That might be it then. Just mango. Don't walk.
Yeah, I'm not walking.
Mangoes, pineapples, and yogurt. And today we're going to be getting something different. It's called Paradise Point, and it has strawberries.
We're getting something different?
Well, we're getting something different for our mom, but we're also going to be getting something for ourselves.
Okay, what are we getting?
I don't know. Why are you looking at me like that?
No.
I don't know. We're gonna ask them what their $5 smoothies are, and that's what we're gonna be getting.
Yeah, because we're getting a small one. We'll give our mom the big one. But yeah.
Yes, because a big one, it's not a waste of money, but it's just like a lot to drink in one sitting, you know? You know, when I watch YouTubers, they try not to show the names of their streets.
Yeah, we didn't show any streets.
Yeah, definitely didn't. Definitely.
I mean, behind us.
We're still walking. It's quite a walk, but it's not.
It's so cold, and we're getting a smoothie.
My fingers are freezing.
We're addicted to those smoothies, guys.
I forgot to bring gloves, so. But the smoothies are really good, and honestly,
I was gonna bring them.
It makes like the inside of your body. You know how like it's really warm and acidic. It makes it oh, my fingers are actually on, like they're freezing. Okay.
Yeah, my hands were cold holding the camera.
We forgot to get a glove, but it's so, as I was saying before, it's not like that much of a walk. But
wait, earlier this morning when I was walking to school, right? I saw my breath when I was.
Yeah, this morning it was cold.
Freezing this morning.
Oh, my hands. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna ask them what $5 smoothies they have, because we've asked the question before.
No, all the smoothies are the same. They just have like the size is just different. The size is,
you can get what?
The size is a smaller price.
We'll see you guys when we record inside the smoothie place.
I'll record you.
Oh yeah. Okay. They also have sandwiches there.
The place is called Tropical Smoothie Cafe. So if you want to check it out, they have wonderful smoothies. They're really good. It's really good. I don't even like smoothies that much. Like, no offense, I don't like 7. Oh, actually no, those are Slurpees. Never mind. Those are slushies. Slurpees, slushies, same difference, right, guys? No. Comment down below if they're the same difference. Yeah. So I'm not really a big fan of smoothies or slushies or Slurpees or whatever. I prefer mocha cafe. No, mocha coffee, stuff like that. Oh yeah, those are good too. But like these smoothies are just like another level of deliciousness. So I agree. Alright, like, guys, we're addicted to it. We buy it literally every day. Well, our mom does. We don't buy it every day because we don't have money, but our mom does. Yeah. We are approaching Main Street. Yeah. It's such a cold day, but like the clouds look so nice in it. Oh, my arm. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's see. Guys, we are here on Main Street, and Abigail was just complimenting the clouds. They are pretty nice today, aren't they? Look at this turn around. Look at me. Look at that sunshine. We can't see your face. The clouds do look nice today, though. Just really nice. We are going down to Smoothie Place, guys. So let's go. You're gonna record me walking now? Yes, I am. We don't want to record a sidewalk, do we? Like this video so far, we're going to knock into a pole. Make sure you drop a like down below. I mean, you guys have to like the video. Smoothie Place. If you know that place, guys, comment down below too. Oh. All right, guys. So basically, we're just walking all the way down there. Then we're gonna make a left, and then we have to keep walking for a bit, and then we'll reach Smoothie Place. So yeah, guys, we also have a train system like right on the floor of like the walking place. I will show you. It's coming up. A train system. Oh, okay, yeah. Guys. This is the train thing Abigail was talking to you guys about. Goes all the way down there, and it goes down here. It looks super cool. Very nice. I need to get a snapshot. Very nice. Look, guys, look how pretty that looks. It looks urban. Guys, that is so pretty. My fingers are freezing. All right, let's go. See your. I got this. I got this today, my sorry. I got this. Oh no, she's taking the camera from you guys. We are on the way to Smoothie Place. This is the almost there. Yes, you guys can see our shadows. We're almost there. Look at my shadows. Look at it. Yeah, we didn't see it. I'm trying not to knock into the floor, the street, because I am literally right next to the street, but. Staring at me. Look at the color. Alright, and here's our turn. And guys, Smoothie Place is all the way down there. Guys, we are about to go in. Let us know if you like this new lens we have. What's it called again? Paradise Point. Paradise Point? Do not come into my face. Like, what are you talking about? You shouldn't be like right into my nose. I'm not into your nose. Okay, good. I'm using the new lens. Look. Okay, guys, look at my hands. They're literally turning red and white. It's crazy. Guys, we're gonna order soon. The building's like over there. I watched this I read this article online, and it said that the founder of Amazon, what's his name? I don't know what's his name. Founder of Amazon. I forgot his name. Was it Mark Zuckerberg? No. That's Facebook. Oh my god. Bill Gates is Microsoft. Yeah, well, I forgot his name. They said that he has enough money to end world hunger. Would he do it though? That people are saying that he's selfish because he doesn't have I forgot. Like he'd have to give it to all of his guys, we're here at Smoothie Place. The mask on. I don't have my mask. Well, people don't really wear masks inside. But Shay just likes to wear it. Yes, because I like to be guys, clean, look at this is the store. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Oh, here's this. Okay, what smoothie are we getting? I don't even know. What smoothie? What smoothie should we get? This one. Okay, we need to get ours. Which one? Do you have any recommendations? Any recommendations for a smoothie? Bahama Mama. Sunshine.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, you choose. Pick one. We've tried the sunshine before. Get it. Yeah. Yeah, small. Do you have a tiny cup for the sunshine? Okay, like very little of the smoothies. No, I haven't tried.
Yeah.
What the? Look, we've got like very little of the. We need to try more different flavors.
We were just trying the sunshine.
We did try that before.
No, we didn't.
We did. That was the.
It's yellow.
That's the last one we got.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, we didn't. We got the kiwi strawberry.
No, the one before the one before that we got.
We got the kiwi puncher.
No.
See, this we got.
We got the
Kiwi puncher last time.
no, we got the sunshine ones.
Well, I didn't taste it.
Guys,
This is the one that we got last time. Kiwi puncher. Oh, my finger looks weird. This is one we got. We always get for our mom, but we got this one today, the paradise one, and the one we got was sunrise sunset. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, this that one.
Yeah. Wait, no. Keep it in one. Keep it in one. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, just 2 bags. Yeah. I mean, you don't have to put it into 2.
I'll try this. Strawberries, banana, and strawberries.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just strawberries and banana.
Guys, look at these paintings. They're so cool. Looks like a Squid Game painting.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Which one should we try next time?
Next time?
Guys, comment down below which one you
definitely
would
have
try.
to get the cranberry. I really want to try that.
I have sandwiches. But yeah. What do you got? Thank you. Have a nice day. Night. I mean, are you ready? Are you ready to try?
Walking into this cold again.
Yes, walk into this cold. Give me our smoothie, the one that we're gonna drink.
Wait, what? Why is that? Oh, paradise sweet is red.
Yeah, give me our smoothie. Okay,
Can
here.
you hold it? You're
You
also complaining about
here.
holding it.
You take the camera.
You're gonna try it?
Yeah. Prank time. Subscribe.
Guys, we bought the smoothies, as you can see. Bought both of them. I just put it in. Guys, I'm gonna try it for the first time now.
And I don't really like drinking drinks with like the cover. I'm gonna drink it like this.
What? What are you talking about?
I don't like drinking.
Yes, she does. That's a lie.
I just want. Should I?
I mean, use the straw. That's nasty.
No. Let me hear. Okay.
Use the straw. That's nasty.
Oh, I'm gonna drink it.
Oh, my mask is
Wait.
falling down. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! Don't cough in it.
There was like a hairball.
No, there wasn't.
There was like a hairball inside the smoothie.
Don't do that. That's disgusting. We're both sharing that, and you wouldn't split it.
What? Okay, we still have to try it for them. You can't be screaming at me for me.
Well, then don't cough in it again.
I'm not
like
gonna cough in it. Just okay. Let's film. All right, guys. This is the first time that we're trying the sunshine. Let's try it.
Put the cover on. What are you doing?
We don't need to take off the cover.
Put the cover. Then put it on.
Okay.
What are you doing? Why are you acting so weird?
I'm just drinking it.
Drink it normally.
Drink it. Can you film? No, let's just film. Why are you holding the camera like that?
All right. Let's go.
Man, you can't even... let me film this one scene. What is wrong with you? Stop walking. Put up the camera and let's film. All right, guys.
We're going to try the smoothie.
I'll be the one to drink it first, guys. I'm gonna be trying this. Oh my gosh.
Stop! That's disgusting.
What are you doing?
Don't put it in your mouth if you're gonna do that.
What did I do?
Stop drinking it.
I didn't cough
Stop
once.
drinking it. That's nasty.
I only coughed once.
No, you didn't. You're lying.
She was so mad she turned off the camera. I had to convince her to keep filming.
All right. Abigail's going to try the smoothie now.
Yeah. This is my first time trying the smoothie. Okay, guys. Today I will try this. It is the sunshine with what does it have inside of it?
No, that's not. Oh yeah. I forgot. Strawberries, bananas. Oh, it smells weird. Sorry, guys. It smells kind of weird.
This smells weird?
No, not the smoothie.
Oh.
Like the outside. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Oh, you guys just saw that car behind us? We didn't see that. All right.
What?
What?
Keep looking at me like I'm gonna cough on it again.
Then don't cough on it again.
Okay.
That's
okay,
nasty.
wait, I'm gonna drink it for them. Wait.
Don't cough in the smoothie! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why are you coughing in it?
Nothing's wrong with me.
That's nasty.
It tastes. I think I might be allergic.
Then why are you drinking it?
We have tried for the Dixon family.
You tried it 3 times already and you keep coughing in it. What is wrong
Why are you
with
getting mad at me?
Stop coughing in the smoothie. If you don't like it, give it to me.
Why are you trying to take it from me?
Give it me the smoothie. Because you don't like it, you keep coughing. You're wasting it.
We're just standing outside arguing.
Well, we can tell them that you don't like it. You tasted it off camera and you didn't like it because you don't know how to drink a smoothie.
I do know how to drink
First
a
you tried
smoothie.
taking off the cap and now you're trying to cough in it?
Who's trying? Okay, guys. Give me this camera. Guys, I'm pranking today. I've been pranking you this whole time.
No,
I planned this. I did not cough in it. I didn't cough in it, guys. It's a prank.
No,
It's a prank. I was like this. Say, look. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
That prank sucks. That's disgusting.
It's a prank.
That is a danger to our health. Give it to me.
Guys, comment down below if you think Shalay fell for it. She definitely fell for this video. So make sure you drop a like up down below on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Because I definitely did. Coughing on this drink was literally the best time of this day. The best part of this day.
That was terrible.
It was so fun.
That is disgusting. Who coughs on their drink that they're going to share with someone? Even if we're related by blood, that's still nasty.
But honestly, the smoothie actually tastes good. Look. Actually tastes good. Here. Guys, the smoothie is like a low-key really good.
Guys,
I'm so glad she fell for this prank.
That was a terrible prank. Terrible. Guys, it is actually getting pretty dark and my fingers are freezing. But that prank was terrible, guys. If you did not enjoy that prank, make sure you comment down below and subscribe to my channel because we do have other pranks that we'll be doing. Yeah, we did do. So make sure you check out all of our videos.
Like this prank, should I?
No, I
Comment
don't
down
think
below
so.
if you think Shade fell for it. She did. Guys, and please drop a like on this video. Because you know, I'll be bringing back banger to banger to banger.
Guys, I'm
Yes.
going to prank Abigail.
It's gonna be your only prank back, and you're gonna
I am
lose.
going to.
You're gonna lose. You're gonna miss.
I
All
pranked
your pranks are
Abigail
whack.
so many times in the past.
No, all your pranks are whack. And now you fell for mine. You fell for mine. Guys, she tried to stop me filming like 3 times.
Well, that's because you were.
She was so mad. Play the clip.
Don't cough in the smoothie! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
I was so mad. Oh my god.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe down below and hit that like button. And
comment down below more pranks for me to drop on Shade.
also for me. As well,
just for me, just for me. And make sure you follow us on the Dixon Family Official.
on Instagram, and see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Also, if you enjoyed these type of vlogs, make sure you comment down below, alright? So,
Yeah.
bye.